Hello guys, today we are gonna do the fourth experiment of Unix and Linux lab named user-defined functions using shell scripting. So the aim of the experiment is to design and implement a task scheduling and reminder system using shell scripting in Linux by applying user-defined functions to perform operations such as creating directories, managing tasks, file handling, backup, searching, reporting, and user authentication. So when we take a window and type this command is for creating a file named task system, creating a shell file named task system, and after we give this command, uh, this this side opens, and we have to type this code. The code we have to type here. Using this, we are using this line is to tell the system to use the bash shell to execute the file. Bash shell to execute the file. We are creating um, a directory named task system. In that is a folder like task, backup, and logs. And we are checking and we are using an false condition. If the condition is correct, directory structure created successfully will print. Otherwise, failed to create directory structure will print. We are calling the function create structure. After that, we are giving this command. After that, we have to save this by giving Control plus O, Enter, and Control X. After that, we type this command to give the permission for giving the execution permission for the file. After that, we are executing the file by typing this dot slash task that command. Okay. Mm, After that, we are getting this output. Directory structure created successfully, like that. Okay. So, after that, we created these directories. After that, we're again opening the shell file, and we are typing this code. Um, this code. The echo is used to print this statement. It prints enter directory name, and read is used to take input from user. Mm, we are again using if else condition. If this condition is true, then this this code will run. Otherwise, directly not found will be printed. And we are calling this files for that this output is coming. It created the directory successfully, and they are asking for us to enter the directory name. So I enter task system. So after that, whatever text files, log files, and shell script files are there in that task system directory, it's getting printed by category. After that, we are again giving nano task system, and we are typing this code. We are here using a switch case. Here using switch case. First, we print the options. Then enter your choice. When we enter, if we are entering 1, this choice will be printed. If you are entering 2, this choice. 3, this choice. If if 1 2, if we are not typing 1 or 2 or 3, other than this, if we type, it will print this invalid choice, and we are calling the function. After that, we save that file, and when we execute the file, this the system is asking for entering your choice, and we so when I typed this choice, it asked me to enter the task name. So I typed this, and everything got printed as per the code. Now it's asking nano task system. Notice I typed this command to open the file, and I'm checking whether there's any backup file or not. Like I'm doing back my backup for my file. So I assigned the source and destination and log file and all. Then I use if else complete condition. Then I typed the code and all. I called the function. After that, when I execute the file, it's saying backup completed. Okay. Again, I opened the file and typed this code, like so I send the source and destination. Um, CP is used to copy a file from source to destination, and again I used the if else statement. If it's true, file complete copied successfully will be complete. Otherwise, file copy failed will be printed. I called the file. Along with that, I assigned both the files. Okay. um, and I executed the file. File copied successfully got printed. Now I am asking for task report, nano system task report. I typed this code, file, I send the file, if condition used, all commands are given, called the function, then it got printed like this. Then I opened the file again, and file is equal to, I send the file to variable file and use the first condition. If it's true, task scheduling system is available. If it's false, task scheduling system is not available, will be printed. I called the function. I executed the file. It got printed like task scheduling system is available. Mm, Now I'm searching for a task name. Opened the file and typed this code. I sent the file and took the task name from user and used the first condition. Um, grep is used to search a keyword in that file. Okay, and I called the function. It asked to enter task name. I typed this, and it is the number got printed. Which on which number is assigned to that task, it got printed. Now I'm gonna do the check how many tasks are available. So I typed this code, file, task system, task list, and all. Total, and I used difference and I called the function. Um, I executed the file. It says total number of tasks is 3. Now, now I opened the file and typed this code, authenticate user, and I send my username and password and asked the user to enter username and password. If the password is correct, access granted will be printed. If it's false, access denied will be printed. I called the function and I executed the file. It asked me to enter the username. I typed admin and then transport password. I typed 1234. It's saying access granted. So this much is the fourth experiment. So result is that thus the task scheduling and its reminder system was successfully implemented using shell scripting in Linux. Through this experiment, we learned how to create and use user-defined functions, handle files and directories, accept user input, perform task management operations, generate reports, create backups, and implement basic authentication. This experiment helped us to understand the practical application of Linux commands, conditional statements, case statements, and file handling, thereby improving our scripting and problem solving skills. Thank you.